Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this pumpkin bag charm. This bag charm is quite spacious and it has drawstring styles. Also, I decorated it with some pumpkin leaves and a little curly twig. You can use this bag charm as a treat pouch and give it to your loved ones in this spooky season. And I'm sure that they're gonna love it, especially for the kids. So let's get started. For this project, I'm using 5-ply milk cotton yarn, a 3.5mm hook, a scissors, and a tapestry needle. First, we will start with the pumpkin. Make a slip knot, or you can also use the magic ring. Then chain 3. Continue, make 11 double crochet in the very first chain. So we will count the first chain 2 as 1 double crochet. In the end, we will have 12 double crochet. I will continue crocheting and we will meet after I finish all the double crochets. So this is how our first round supposed to look like, and now we will slip stitch into the first chain 2. Then continue to the second round, first chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Now we have 1 increase and we will continue to make 11 more double crochet increase. In the end, we will have 24 double crochets. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is how it looks like after we finish the second round, and now we will slip stitch into the chain 2. Then we will continue to the third round. For the third round, we will chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 1 and we will make 3 double crochets. So we will repeat this pattern for 6 times, which is chain 1, 1 single crochet, and then chain 1 and make 3 double crochets. I will repeat this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 3 double crochets, and now we will chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet. And this is how our third round looks like. Then we will continue to the fourth round. First chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. And another 1 chain. Next we will make 4 double crochet, but we will do it in different way. So for the first double crochet, we will do it normally on top of the stitch, but for the second one we will do it in between of 2 stitches like so. And also the same way for the third double crochet. And for the fourth double crochet, we will do it normally on top of the last stitch, just like the first double crochet. And now as you can see here, we have 4 double crochet. So we will repeat this pattern, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and then another 1 chain. Then continue with 4 double crochet. I will repeat this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 4 double crochet. Now we will chain 1 and then slip stitch into the first single crochet. Next we will continue to the 5th round. We will chain 1, make 1 single crochet and then another chain 1. Next, we will make 5 double crochet using the same way as we did in the 4th round. So for the first double crochet, we will do it normally, and then for the second, third, and fourth, we will do it in between 2 stitches. Then for the 5th one, we will also do it normally just like the first double crochet. Now we have 5 double crochet and we will repeat this pattern around 1 chain, 1 single crochet and another 1 chain, then continue with 5 double crochet. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 5 double crochet. Now chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then we will continue to the 6th round. Start with chain 1, 1 single crochet and another chain 1. Then continue make 6 double crochet using the same way as we did in the previous rounds. So for the first and last double crochet, we will do it normally, and for the second, third, fourth, and fifth, we will work in between of 2 stitches. Now as you can see here, we have 6 double crochet and we will continue to repeat this pattern for 5 more times. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 6 double crochets. Now chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet. We will continue to the 7th round and we will do the decrease for this round. Start with chain 1, 1 single crochet and another chain 1. Then we will make 5 double crochet, but we will skip the first stitch and we will continue work in between of 2 stitches. So for the first, second, third, and fourth double crochet, we will work in between of 2 stitches. But for the last double crochet, we will do it normally on top of the last stitch. Now we have 5 double crochets and we have to repeat this pattern for 5 more times. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. This is our last 5 double crochets. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the first single crochet. Continue to round 8, chain 1, 1 single crochet and another chain 1. We will make 4 double crochets using the same way as the previous round. So skip the first stitch and work in between of 2 stitches for the first, second and third double crochet. Then for the last double crochet, we will do it normally on top of the last stitch. We will continue repeating this pattern for 5 more times. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 4 double crochets. Now we will chain 1 and slip stitch to the first single crochet. We will continue to round 9, first chain 1 and then make 1 single crochet and another 1 chain. Then we will make 3 double crochets using the same way as we did in the previous rounds. So we will work in between of 2 stitches for the first and second double crochets, and we will do normal double crochet in the last one. We have to repeat this pattern for 5 more times. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is our last 3 double crochets. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the first single crochet. Before we continue to the 10th round, we will attach new yarn color. So for round 10, we will do single crochet around, but we will only do single crochet on top of the stitches, not on top of the chain. So in the end, we will have 24 single crochets. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the round. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and we will continue to round 11. We will start with chain 3 and skip 1 stitch, then continue make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. After that, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make another half double crochet in the next stitch. So we will repeat this pattern around 1 half double crochet, 1 chain and then skip 1 stitch. Now we will slip stitch to the second chain. Then finish it off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. Now we have done with the pumpkin and we will continue to make the strap and leaf. For the strap we will make a slip knot and then chain 60. Then we will grab the pumpkin and we will attach the strap to the pumpkin. We will attach it back and forth just like so. Then we will continue to make the leaf. First slip stitch to the very first chain. Then chain 3 and we will make 1 double crochet in the very first chain. Continue with chain 2 and slip stitch to the first chain. Then make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the first chain. Continue with 2 double crochets. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the first chain. After that, continue with 2 double crochet. Then chain 2 and slip stitch to the first chain. We will repeat this pattern for one more time. After that, make 1 double crochet. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the center. Now finish it off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. So this is our first pumpkin leaf, and now we will close up this tiny loop. First make a knot and grab the tapestry needle. Now we will start to close this tiny loop up. So this is how it looks like after we close the tiny loop up, and now we will continue to decorate the pumpkin. We will make another leaf and the curly twig. So first we have to attach the yarn. You can attach it in any stitches you want. Then chain 3 and we will use the same pattern as the first leaf. So I will continue crocheting and we will meet after I finish this leaf. Now this is how our leaf looks like, and we will continue to make the curly twig. First chain 20. Then start from the second chain of the hook. We will make increase in each of the next 19 chain. In the end, we will have 38 single crochet. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of the row. Now we have finished our curly twig. Next, we will slip stitch into the same stitch where we attach the yarn. Then finish it off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. And here is the results. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys can make it so you can give it to your loved ones. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button so you will keep updating on my next videos. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and feel free to tag me there if you make any projects that following my tutorials. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.